Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create comment in Google Sheets. Alright, this is it for you who have shared files and want to correct each other, and you can use this comment feature in Google Sheets. Alright, for example, can select cell you want to add the comments and select the cell, and you are just going to insert, select comment, or you can right click and select comment, and you can also select the cell and click or select the comment icon here, just click and just type your comment. For example, um, and you can also add other with add and find your people like so. When you just click post the comment. Alright, so you can see, and the sheet name appears the message icon here. So this is comment, and if you hover over the cursor, appears the comment. Alright, that's how you can create the comments in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.